Chef Anthony here today, bringing you some great steamed shrimp done in our steam oven at 212 degrees. Let's jump right in this. I have some peeled and deveined 2125 shrimp. Nice, ready to roll. We're gonna put a base down for our steamer pan, which I'm going over right now. Here's the perforated pan. Here's the solid pan. This is the setup for your steam oven. This will catch all the drippings, keep it no mess, no fuss. This pan will actually have the steam and the air come through, so we get that great flavorful shrimp with ease of two pans. So let's jump right in. I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley down as our base for this. Kind of gives it a little feel to it, gives it a nice little base and great color and aroma. Lemon and lime goes hand in hand. We're gonna do 3 slices of lemon, 3 slices of lime. Nice and easy. I like to do this with a lot of seafood in the steam oven, really shingling it. The citrus on the bottom helps so much and really looks for a great product. Kind of gives it a bed to work with. We'll line our shrimp just like this. And being that we have the whole tray, I'm only doing about, I have like 6 shrimp here, but if you wanted to do, a few pounds, you can do it on this. Just, multiply it, add it out there, right? Touch salt and pepper goes on this, and we're ready to go to the steam oven. Perfect. All right, in our steam oven, we're gonna go. It's gonna take 3 minutes. Set up and ready to go. So let's take a look. Great steamed shrimp, beautiful color. Citrus really helped out. The drip tray here to catch everything. This is perfectly nice, easy shrimp. Enjoyable for everyone. Try this out at home. Thank you so much.